In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to securely run multiple YouTube channels using AdsPower. The goal here is to create a separate browser environment for each YouTube channel, so every account looks like it's being accessed from its own distinct device and network. That separation is important for keeping your setup organized and reducing overlap between accounts. Start by opening AdsPower. Once you're inside the dashboard, create a new profile by clicking New Profile. This profile will serve as a dedicated environment for your first YouTube channel. Think of it like giving that channel its own browser, settings, and identity, separate from anything else you manage. Next, name the profile clearly based on the specific YouTube channel or the account associated with it. A clear naming system makes a big difference later, especially if you plan to manage multiple channels. You want to be able to identify the right profile quickly without guessing. After that, select YouTube as the platform if that option is available, or simply enter the YouTube URL manually. This helps ensure the profile is set up with the right starting point and keeps your workflow streamlined when launching it later. Now move into the proxy and fingerprint configuration. Assign a unique residential proxy IP address to the profile so Google sees a separate network location for that account. This is one of the most important parts of keeping profiles isolated from each other. Before saving anything, test the proxy connection inside AdsPower to make sure it's working properly. It's always better to confirm the connection now rather than troubleshoot access issues later. For the fingerprint settings, keep the default randomized options in place, including things like the user agent, WebGL, Canvas, and time zone. These default randomized settings help each profile appear like a completely separate physical device, which supports stronger account separation. Once everything looks good, click Finish to complete the setup. At that point, your first YouTube channel profile is ready to use securely inside AdsPower.